Hi, my name's Nate Hunsberger. I'm 21 years old. I'm from northeastern Ohio. Um, yes, I'm a third-year mechanical engineering major at Ohio State University. Spirit animal, this is a totally random, weird thing, but it's the icebreaker of orientation this year, and it's a direwolf for me, because I'm a huge Game of Thrones fan. Granted, middle schoolers probably aren't going to be watching Game of Thrones. But so that's gonna get edited.
Yeah.
Anyway, this summer I was working at a place called CAR, Ohio State's Center for Automotive Research. Basically, they have a lot of laboratories and technology there that's used to advance automotive technology. So it's all car stuff, appropriate acronym. So they have a ton of space, and they even have some of Ohio State's design teams, so Baja and Buckeye Bullet, things that most schoolers won't know of. But my project was with several other engineers, grad students and undergrads, with a project from Chrysler that they hired us out to work on a 2011 Chrysler Town & Country van with the electrical system. So basically trying to tweak the electrical system to make it really efficient and to improve fuel economy. So my responsibilities were actually running tests on the van, so using something called a chassis dynamometer, which is essentially two really big rollers on the ground that the front wheels of a car go on, and you drive the car, it spins, and then that collects data. So I took all that data and uploaded it into a program called MATLAB, and did a bunch of tests on it and turned it into graphs and math. And then eventually I presented it to my colleagues and actually got to present to a member of Chrysler. So there's a lot of troubleshooting involved with that and a lot of debugging of code. So we have a lot of issues that we ran into over the summer. The test chamber would get really hot, and so that would throw wrenches into our data. So we were just trying to control the variability that that would create. So we actually ended up putting a lot of fans on. Can I skip that slide? A lot of fans on in order to reduce the temperature change. And we also had to bypass a lot of what Chrysler implemented to control their van. So we basically had to make our own controllers just to reduce some more of the variability. And the big thing was communication, because several of the members were senior members at CAR, and they're really busy, so they didn't always have time to talk. Yeah, so some of the societal impacts of this research is improving fuel economy. There's something called a CAFE standard. It's the corporate average fuel economy, so it's basically what everyone has to meet in order to get funding from the government. And by 2016, we're supposed to be 35.5 miles per gallon for most cars, and by 2025, this is really exciting, having 50 to 60 miles per gallon for most cars. And there's more information on it's by how big your car is. So our project is helping to achieve that goal. Yeah, that's it.